Welcome back guys to another YouTube video. Now in today's video I'm going to be explaining or talking more about channels. So now if you're there and you have difficulty in trading channels, I think this is the right video for you to sit down and watch. By the end of this video, I assure you 100% you're going to be profitable when you're trading channels in forex. Now for those who haven't, like this video and also subscribe. We do recommend you to subscribe guys. We have already hit 100 subscribers, so we thank you for those who have actually moved with us along this journey. We have already hit 100 subscribers, so let's take it to 1000 subscribers by the end of this year. I think we shall make it, because the valuable information we are trying to spread or to give out, most of the people who are trying to watch our videos, they can testify that we are giving out valuable information. So that's why we recommend you to subscribe, and we don't want you to be left behind, so do subscribe to our channel and watch these videos. Okay, now when you talk about channels in forex, channels are more or less the same as support and resistance. The only difference here is that channels are the path that the price follows. When I was still a beginner, I used to call them a road in which the price is moving. So now channels, it's like a path where the price is trying to play around, whereby you buy, you sell, you buy, you sell, but you find there is a movement which is trying to be, so in that movement, that's where you find the market is making low highs and lower lows, low highs and lower lows, or higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So now that movement of that uptrend, that's what we call a channel. Okay, imagine, okay, let me try to break down. So we have three types of channels. We have the up channel, which is the uptrend channel. So now this channel, you'll find the market will be making higher highs and higher lows, and this down channel, you'll find the market is making low highs and lower lows. Now for the sideways channel, you'll find the market is just consolidating but moving in a structure of moving horizontally, but in a structure of making a lot of consolidation. So now rules to trade channels. Now I want you to listen these rules, which I want to break down. Use these same rules when you are trading channels. If you don't use them, then it will be a problem. When the price reaches your bottom line, you must expect it to go back. So what are you going to do? Buy. You get it? When the price reaches your top line, you must expect it to go down. What are you expecting to do? Sell. Let me hope we are together. What can I do for you to try to give you a little bit illustration? Let me say, use this. Okay. And use black. Okay. Okay, let's continue with our video. There's something I was trying to do, but I think it will take us more time. Now, stop loss a few pips outside of the channel lines, or a few pips below the reversal candle. So I wanted to give you a little bit illustration, but I think I will show it to you in my picture which I have below there. Take profit must be on the opposite line. Another thing is, it is important that you wait for the price to reach the line before trading. So now, before you click your buy or click your sell, wait for the price to reach these resistance trend lines or our support trend line. So now, when the price reaches your support trend line, wait for that weak rejection or a candle close before you buy or sell. Now, I think if I try to take you to my illustration which I have, so now this is sort of like an up channel. This is an example of an up channel. Now, why do we call it an up channel? Because we can see the market is in an uptrend, making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So now, as a trader, like I have told you, you see now this weak rejection. So this was our resistance trend line. This was our support trend line. But if you couldn't wait for the candle close, that means you might be trapped here and you think it is a buy. You jump into the buy and you see the price is engulfing inside back channel and you being stopped out. One of the rules that we told you is wait for the candle close or a weak rejection, this resistance line of yours, and you click a sell. Now this was a sell, 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 sell. And this was a buy, 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 buy. Why? We are on our support level. And this was our resistance level. So now you just wait for the market to reach on these 2 points which we have tried to explain for you. Then you react by either buying or going long or going short. I think now you have got a little bit explanation or a little bit picture on how to trade these channels in forex. Now this is the first episode. I think I'm going to be explaining more in the second episode.